Gasoline fuel injector cleaner. This is the most common type you'll find on any auto parts shelf, and it's designed specifically for gasoline engines. It works by running through the fuel system, where it dissolves carbon deposits and varnish that build up on injector tips over time. Most of these cleaners use a carrier solvent combined with a detergent chemistry, and the formula gets pulled through the injector along with the fuel. The deposits that form inside a gasoline engine are fairly soft compared to diesel, which means gasoline cleaners don't need to be especially aggressive. They just need to be consistent. Regular use over time tends to matter more than a single treatment. Diesel fuel injector cleaner. Diesel engines operate under much higher compression and injection pressures than gasoline engines, and the carbon they produce is denser and harder to break down. Diesel injector cleaners are formulated to handle this, using more concentrated detergent packages and sometimes lubricity additives as well. Lubricity is something diesel fuel naturally has, but modern ultra-low sulfur diesel has less of it than older formulations, so many diesel cleaners add it back in. These products also often help with cetane number improvement, which affects how smoothly and completely the fuel ignites. Diesel engines are less forgiving of dirty injectors, so these cleaners tend to be more aggressive by design. Polyether amine-based cleaner. Among the active ingredients used in fuel system cleaners, polyether amine, commonly called PEA, is widely considered the most effective for removing stubborn deposits. It was developed in the 1970s and initially used in aviation fuel systems before making its way into automotive products. PEA works by chemically attaching to deposits and pulling them apart at a molecular level, rather than just softening them. It's particularly effective on intake valves and combustion chamber deposits, not just the injectors themselves. Products that list PEA as a primary active ingredient tend to outperform those that rely on lighter solvents alone, and many professional-grade cleaners are built around it. Polyisobutylene amine-based cleaner. Polyisobutylene amine, often abbreviated as PIB or PIB, is another common detergent used in injector cleaners, though it behaves somewhat differently than PEA. It works better on keeping fuel system components clean rather than restoring them once they've already fouled. Because of this, PIBA-based cleaners are better suited as ongoing maintenance products rather than targeted treatments for a vehicle that's already showing symptoms. They also have good compatibility with fuel system seals and rubber components, which is part of why they appear frequently in manufacturer-approved additives and top-tier gasoline programs. They're not the strongest option for heavy buildup, but they're reliable for prevention. One-tank concentrated cleaner. This type is sold as a high-dose single-use treatment meant to produce noticeable results within one full tank of fuel. The idea is to deliver a heavy concentration of detergents all at once, which makes them useful when a vehicle is running rough, showing poor fuel economy, or hasn't been treated in a long time. Most of these products are added directly to the fuel tank before filling up, so the cleaner mixes with fresh fuel and circulates through the system as the engine runs normally. Some mechanics recommend running one of these treatments before an emissions test, since cleaner injectors produce a more complete burn and lower hydrocarbon output. They're not meant for regular use at full dose. The concentration is intentionally high for a reason.
Fuel system multi-component cleaner. Rather than targeting just the injectors, this type is designed to clean the entire fuel pathway, from the tank to the combustion chamber. That includes the fuel pump, fuel lines, pressure regulator, intake valves, and combustion chamber surfaces, in addition to the injectors themselves. These products combine multiple detergent chemistries, often PEA, alongside other compounds, to cover a broader range of deposit types and locations. They take longer to fully work through the system and usually require a full tank of fuel or more to complete their job. For vehicles that have gone a long time with any fuel system maintenance, a multi-component cleaner is often a more thorough starting point than a basic injector-only product.
Direct injection cleaner. Direct injection engines, often referred to as GDI engines, present a unique problem that most conventional fuel additives can't solve. Because fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber rather than through the intake port, the intake valves never get washed by fuel. This allows oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system to accumulate on the back of the intake valves as hard, oily carbon deposits. Standard fuel additives added to the tank have no path to reach these valves at all. Direct injection cleaners address this differently. They're typically applied through the intake manifold using a spray port or vacuum line, or through a specific intake cleaning kit, allowing the product to physically contact the valve surfaces. These are usually a shop service rather than a simple pour-in-the-tank product.
Fuel injector cleaning service additive. This type isn't something a driver adds to their gas tank at home. It's a professional shop product used with pressurized cleaning equipment. A technician connects a cleaning canister directly to the fuel rail, bypassing the fuel tank entirely, and runs a concentrated cleaning solution through the injectors under pressure. The engine either runs on this solution, or it's performed with the engine off using ultrasonic cleaning in more detailed services. This method is more thorough than any tank additive because it delivers a high concentration of cleaner directly to the injector nozzles without dilution. It's generally recommended for vehicles with significantly fouled injectors, where over-the-counter products haven't produced results.
Ethanol treatment injector cleaner. As ethanol content in fuel has increased, particularly with the widespread adoption of E10 and in some markets E15, a specific category of injector cleaner has developed around managing ethanol-related issues. Ethanol absorbs water, and that water can lead to phase separation in the fuel tank, corrosion in metal fuel system components, and degradation of older rubber seals. Ethanol treatment cleaners combine injector detergents with water dispersants and corrosion inhibitors to address these specific concerns. They're particularly useful for small engines, older vehicles, and any machine that sits unused for extended periods, since ethanol-blended fuel degrades faster during storage. The injector cleaning function is present, but the broader protective chemistry is what sets this type apart. Fuel stabilizer with injector cleaner. Primarily designed for storage rather than active use, this type combines a fuel stabilizer, which slows the oxidation and degradation of gasoline over time, with a light injector cleaning formula. These products are intended for seasonal equipment like lawnmowers, boats, generators, and motorcycles that sit for months between uses. Stale fuel is one of the leading causes of injector deposits and gumming, and running a stabilizer with a cleaning component before storage helps prevent varnish from forming inside the fuel system while the machine sits idle. The cleaning chemistry in these products is generally milder than a dedicated injector cleaner, since the goal is protection during inactivity rather than active deposit removal. They're added to the last tank of the season and left in the system through storage.